Alright, today we're gonna learn how to breakdance. First things first, we have to learn what our proper hand position is when we go down to the floor. This is gonna be something that you're gonna have to stretch out and practice a little bit. And do it every day just a little bit and it'll come. Imagine this is the floor. We're gonna take our hand and instead of pushing our hand on the ground flat, we are going to curve our finger back, and that way we are kind of in this position when we are placing our hand on the floor. It seems weird, seems odd and unnatural, but it makes a huge difference. So if you can, really start doing that right now. All right, let's go. All right. When we put our hand on the floor, we're gonna make sure that we have our finger curved in here. We have two main positions, okay, on the floor. This is where most of your moves are gonna come from, so we're gonna teach you that first. First one is what most people are gonna call a squat. It's not a squat like this. We are gonna do a squat where we bring our knees over our toes. So you can see our knees are coming over the toes, and we are gonna bring our chest up and straighten our heads. We don't want to lean in. Our knees come up. We want to make sure those are flat. 90-degree angle. And same with my head to my toes. When we come down, this is our first position. Okay, we call it the squat, b-boy squat. Okay, we can bring our hands to the right and the left, trying to use that finger position with the thumb sticking out. Okay, we can bounce back and forth. You can start to take your knees and dip them in by pressing your hip forward. Bring it back in. Switch your hand. Bring it out. Bring it back in. Switch the hand. Out, in, switch. Out, in, switch. Switch, switch, switch. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know the next move you would like to learn. B-boy push from Brooklyn. Breakdance time. Our next position, the second main position, people have different names for this. I call it the spider, or I call it push-up position, which is terrible because it's not a push-up. So I usually call it a spider, but you could maybe hear it as something else. So I'll show you what it is. Okay. When we are on the floor, we are going to be in, almost like you would go into for a push-up. Okay, so instead of being straight out like this, we are gonna bring our feet just a little bit in so they're bent. But I don't want my backside to go up. I want to keep my tushy down. Okay, keep the bum level with your head. And don't strain yourself like this. Bring your feet in, not too close. That's gonna feel weird. You want it to be almost like a table, but you have your feet sticking out. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up our hands one by one and our feet, and we're gonna make sure we can move in this position nice and easy, and that way we know that we are in control. If you're too far, it's gonna be really heavy to keep yourself up. Okay, so make sure you bring yourself in and get a nice even look. You should be more box-like. If you look in the mirror, you'll be able to see easier, or record yourself and you can watch it back. Those are our two main positions. Number one, we have our b-boy squat. Okay, number two is our spider position. We are gonna bring our hands. So number two is our spider position. To get to this position from number one position, we can actually just bring our hands down, like we're gonna become a frog, and we are going to just jump our feet back while putting some weight on our hands. Boom, and I'm there. This is what it looks like on the side, okay? If I'm in my squat position, I can bring my hands in between my knees, push my legs out, and I make sure I'm not going too far out, and I don't want my backside up. I want to go back and have my back straight. Okay? Should be able to lift up, should be able to walk, and move pretty freely with your body. Okay? So, that's very, very base foundation of footwork in breakdancing. This is gonna help you just be able to control your body, get used to the weight, get used to the positions, and you will be able to move much more freely, create much more easily once you understand where you are and how to get between those positions. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down, a comment, let me know what you want to know. What's up, y'all? B-Boy Push from Brooklyn, gonna teach you guys how to breakdance, aka B-Boy or B-Girling. 3 simple ways to get from top rock to footwork coming right now. Number 1, we have the Spider-Man. Okay, so Spider-Man, very simple. All we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our right leg. You can also do it on the left side if you want, with your left leg. I'll just do it with my right leg for now, pick a side. We're gonna do same leg, same arm, right leg, right arm. Right arm's gonna go down in the middle. Generally, we're gonna try to twist our wrist so that it's pointing towards that foot that we just opened up. So I got open. I'm gonna place the hand on the floor, okay? If you already are comfortable with opening your thumb, you can go right into that stabbed position with your hand. 1, and then we're gonna bring our leg between our other leg and our hand. So there's a sort of a tunnel right there. We're gonna bring the leg in the back through, and we're going to bring it out as if we were going to do a 6-step or some other footwork move. Okay? That's a good transition to 6-step, 3-step, anything like that. So let's do it one more time. We are going to open up our leg at the same time. We're gonna bring our right arm straight down into our stabbed hand position to the floor. I'm using the other arm as a counterbalance. Bring the leg through that loop that we just made with our other arm and leg. And there we go. We are now through, and we can get into some other types of footwork from that position. Alright, so let's do this at full speed. And we are down. Okay? Very simple, very quick. The Spider-Man. Number 2, to get down, super easy, even easier than number 1, I would say, is just squatting down. So you're gonna go from standing with your feet together, squat down, and we're in the squatted position already. Easiest thing to go from here is probably some kickouts. Boom, boom. Okay, you can see our video on that. Again, this is just the squat. If we're coming from basic top rock, we can go towards the center, squat down, and now we're out for some kickouts. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, one more time. Let's do this a little full out. We got top rock, squat down. Okay, I came back up. Let's do it again. Squat down, kickouts, boom. You're already there. Number 3, the last one, a little harder, but not that hard. We are gonna do a corkscrew. So all we're gonna do is cross our legs. We're gonna twist, and instead of just twisting around, we're gonna squat like we just were doing into our footwork position. So, wind up, go down, and we did it. This one, we are going to cross our leg, twist our body, and as we're twisting, we are going to try to squat down at the same exact time. Twist, twist and squat. Bring your hands to the ground, and we can just jump out into our spider position. Full speed, okay? Twist, down, out. Okay, from some top rock, twist, down, out. There you go. That was 3 easy ways to go from top rock to footwork in your breakdancing. If you guys like the video, please hit that like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Help out the channel. Help me give to you more lessons. Okay? Peace.